So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this heart shape cloud sky photo editing using InShot Video Editor. So guys, let's see the before and after result. As you can see, we have transformed this photo to this amazing one using InShot Video Editor and an AI tool I'm going to be exposing at the end of the video. So if that sounds interesting, let's dive right into the video. So the first step is to open InShot Video Editor. Now let's go to the photo section and select your photo. So this is the photo we are going to transform. So guys, let's go to sticker to add our sky material. Go to sticker. Now let's import our sticker from our gallery and add our sky material. Now scale it up and make sure it covers the entire sky. So I'm going to scale it up like this. I think this is perfect. Now let's add more stickers from InShot sticker library. So I'm going to go to the sticker library on InShot and add more stickers to it. So I think this one is having some love stickers. So let me add this at this side. So let's add more stickers. I love you sticker. So you can be more creative with this process by using your creativity to add more stickers to the image. I love you. So guys, when you do this procedure, just export your photo. Now let's export the photo. So guys, open Chrome browser and type upscaler.media. Upscaler. As you can see, the first result, which is upscale.media website. Now let's click on it. Now here you can upscale images with AI for free. Now let's upload the image we just exported from InShot. Now upload the image. And select the image from your gallery. So let's wait for the image to process. As you can see, we have upscaled the image. You can use the enhance quality feature. So when the image has been enhanced, let's click on download to download the image to our device. And that's it guys. We have successfully created this amazing cloud sky photo editing using InShot Video Editor and upscale.media AI tool. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more InShot video editing tutorials. So that's all for my side today guys. Thanks for watching. Much love I got for you and I will see you in the next video. Peace.